I see a lot of new members in the Discord. Love it. Oh, high side. Those are bad. Those are real bad. Lots of impacts. Not sponsored by K&N. Oh no. Check your buddy. It looks like it's on top of him. No. Maybe the helmet was underneath. He had a jacket, so he had personal protective equipment, so that's good. So that is what's called a high side. So a low side, you start to lose traction, then you fall down. Like, so if you're turning right, you fall in because your tires kept going and they slid out from underneath you. With a high side, it starts to fall down and slides out from underneath you, but then it grabs and then it flips you and just launches you the other way. High sides are very bad because you're going to have that massive impact. So you're going to be launched and you're going to be like doing this almost, or you're going to be flying like this way, and you're going to have that impact. All the forces were basically transmitted into you. So now you're launched through air, and now you're going to hit. When it comes to a low side, you just kind of, it still hurt. It's still painful with the impacts, but when you hit, now you're already like almost gently compared to a high side on the ground, and now you slide. The impacts and sliding and the tumbling happens when it comes to those high sides. So we're going to be moving forward right here, and there's the turn. Okay, the turn came up. Okay, you can see the road a little bit right there, and the turn is right here. So like that's kind of where we need to be going. That's kind of like what the road looks like. Okay, so that's what we have to do, but we're not very set up for this at all. Typically, now they say do outside, inside, outside, and that's fine if you want to go fast, but it also, here's the thing, it gives you the best vision. Going outside, inside, outside gives you the best vision. So I like doing that, but I don't need to go as fast to utilize that much vision. So it's up to you to do outside, inside, outside. I like to go in the middle because it still gives me the best space cushions to every corner, every side. But the thing is, I'm already slowing down. So I'm already slowing down prior to this. I'm doing slow look, press, and roll. I'm doing all those different things. So then I can easily maintain my path of travel through this road. I think what happened here is that we're hauling butt. We're not paying attention. It came up on us too quick. We didn't see it. We also have signage saying do not enter. Maybe we assumed we can keep going this way, but it says do not enter, so we have a big problem. Scooby Moto with the 14.9. Keep on keeping on, brother man. Thank you so much for the 14.99. I appreciate it. But maybe he saw it too late and has to do a very quick swerve, so he applied a lot of brakes, maybe lost a little traction, gained traction, and got flipped over. Whew, there's a lot that goes into something like this, guys. And the main thing, now that we understand all these different factors, all these different things, and there are going to be a lot more that we can't see, the thing is we need to start working backwards. What is the massive problem that if we get rid of that factor, it sets us up for success? Speed. Too much speed. Too little speed can be a problem too. The right amount of speed, that Goldilocks speed, is what's important. So too much, going too fast caused a lot of this. So for those of you that are new riders that just got a Ninja 400, don't go so fast. It's okay to go a little bit slower than maybe you should, because you can maintain that and you can navigate that. If you go too fast, good luck. So when you hear that, how about we just ride underneath our total 100% ability, okay? We don't go to the gym and max out every day. We go to the gym and progressively overload to get bigger, stronger, whatever it is you want to do. That's what you need to do when it comes to riding. Progressive overload. So you're getting, and do it in a parking lot when you're training. Out on the ride, you're just going 70% of your max skill. That's it, 70%. Because if something like this happens, hopefully that 30% kicks in. You don't want to be doing 100% skill all the time, and then something unexpected happens, and now you have no skill left. You see what I mean there? Maintain your skills. You keep increasing your skills, so your 70% is different than somebody else's 70%. My 70% is different than somebody that's brand new. So my 70% might be their 150%. That's why you don't ride to somebody else's ability. That's why if you're a brand new rider, you're not riding with your friend that is a crazy good rider and trying to maintain and keep up with him. And if you're that crazy good rider that has experience and you're taking somebody that is brand new to riding, you do not ride to your ability. You ride to their ability. It's very important to do that. Very important to do that. That's why you're a smart rider. You're teaching and mentoring another rider. You're not going to teach and mentor another rider by going super fast because then they crash. Smart rider principles. It's like I designed this for a reason. Oh, that's a little dot. Whoa, that was a pretty crazy crash. Well, maybe they should have been talking to each other by using the Pack Talk Bold from Cardo. Thank you so much for Cardo for sponsoring this channel. Make sure you click the link in the description. It will automatically apply a discount. I use a Pack Talk Bold with my kids, with my wife, and then with the crew locally here. And it's an amazing product. I love it very much. Anyways, check them out. Links in the description. See them.